Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Tendency. Today we're checking out the LITTLEJSY Snorkeling Gear for adults. If you're looking for the best snorkeling gear to explore underwater wonders, keep watching. If you're interested after watching this review, you can find the live price update and purchase link in the description below. The LITTLEJSY set features a dry-top snorkel and a scuba diving mask with a 180 degrees panoramic wide view. This mask offers fantastic visibility thanks to its impact-resistant, anti-fog tempered glass. You'll really appreciate seeing more of the ocean life. A key feature is the easy-to-use dry-top snorkel. It prevents water from entering, making it perfect for beginners to breathe freely. It securely attaches to the mask and has a handy purge valve for clearing any water. Safety and ease of use are top priorities here. The mask is made from soft, food-grade silicone, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit to prevent leaks. The adjustable split strap makes it easy to customize for any head size, great for adults and even teens. Plus, the nose pocket design helps keep water out. Customers rave about the durability for hours of fun and the crystal-clear underwater views. Many find it comfortable, easy to adjust, and an excellent value, especially compared to renting. Some users reported the black mask might leak, so definitely test it beforehand. Fogging was also mentioned occasionally. An anti-fog spray can help. What makes the LITTLEJSY set a good choice? It offers a great combination of features, like the wide view and dry-top snorkel, at an affordable price. This makes it ideal for adults, beginners, and for travel, especially to places like Hawaii where you'll want the best snorkeling gear brands can offer without breaking the bank. You can find this top snorkeling gear set on Amazon. Check the link in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews. Overall, the LITTLEJSY Snorkel set is a comfortable and reliable option for anyone wanting to experience the underwater world. While a few users experienced minor issues, the overwhelmingly positive feedback suggests it's a fantastic choice, particularly for those looking for the best scuba diving mask and snorkeling experience on a budget. Have you tried snorkeling? Share your experiences in the comments. Like this video and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks for watching.